Kakain na naman tayo. Let's go! Hi guys, it's KBQ and welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently with Dylan kasi he's kind of been bugging me about Hungry Humans, yung Wings place. And if you guys watched my previous video sa Primus Diner, kasama ko si Dylan. So medyo sumama yung loob niya kasi hindi ko siya kasama sa Hungry Humans. So now, we are gonna go there and kakain na naman tayo. Let's go! So Hungry Humans Taguig is located sa 11F Manalo Taguig. It is 2 minutes away from Vista Mall Taguig. And there's Dylan. And this is what you see outside. And kakain na kami. Let's go! So ito yung menu nila. Dapat magsa-samgyup and wings kami ni Dylan kasi we were in a good eating mood. Pero unfortunately wala silang samgyup today. So mag-wings kami. So we went here ng mga 3 o'clock. And as you can see guys, puno pa rin siya kahit medyo patay na oras supposedly yung 3 o'clock. So we both got yung honey garlic. Tapos siya naman may kasamang cheesy jalapeno. Tapos ako may hickory barbecue. And we both got the honey garlic kasi yun yung nirecommend ko sa kanya. So I was already smiling because I knew how good the honey garlic was. So I've said it before and I'll say it again guys. Yung honey garlic nila is just to die for. Ibang klase yung syrup ng honey garlic nila. Sana matry nyo to. Sana makapunta kayo sa Hungry Humans Taguig. Kahit yung honey garlic lang order nyo, wag na kayong mag-unli. Hindi kayo magsisisi. I promise guys. Next up naman is si Hickory Barbecue. Ayan siya. And to be honest, si Hickory Barbecue, ito lang yung parang medyo so-so na flavor nila. Medyo kulang siya sa lasa eh. Parang, it's kind of bland. And I also made Dylan try it and he also agreed na parang something's lacking sa flavor na to. But don't get me wrong guys, okay naman siya. But then like, you know how when your standards are set so high because of the honey garlic, this is somewhat a letdown. Kaya, ayun. But honey garlic on the other hand is just really good. Really good. So sana matry nyo to guys. Ang sarap kasi talaga ng honey garlic nila. This is Dylan naman enjoying his cheesy jalapeno and I got the buffalo dip na for my second round. Yum. So ito naman yung buffalo wings and if you remember dun sa old video ko about Hungry Humans, I said na medyo on the spicy side to, so I was kind of like mentally and emotionally prepared for this. Pero ayun, ang sarap talaga ng buffalo nila guys. For me, this is my second favorite. Hindi rin kayo magsisisi if you guys order this kasabay ng honey garlic. Kasi since this is spicy and honey garlic is sweet, I feel like they both just complement each other perfectly. So when one is too sweet or one is too spicy, parang binabalance out lang nila yung lasa. Kaya ang sarap. For me, perfect combination si buffalo and honey garlic. And I am 100% sure that Dylan agrees with me as well. Sarap talaga. So the next that I got is the soy garlic. Ayan siya. So Dylan garlic parmesan na yung kinuha niya. And ito pa yung buffalo na tira. Yum! So ito yung soy garlic. Guys, sobrang sarap din ito. It has a lot of similarities sa honey garlic. Pero yung biggest difference nila is this is more of on the salty side. I would like to say na yung honey garlic matamis siya. Ito medyo maalat siya. Pero parang very common lang din yung features niya. So ang sarap din ito guys. I asked Dylan what he thought. Sabi niya ang sarap din daw and gives off good bonchon vibes. Mahilig siya sa bonchon. So itry nyo rin to guys. Hindi rin kayo magsisisi. Soy garlic and honey garlic. Masarap sila parehas. So ito yung garlic parmesan. To be honest, if you're expecting it to be something like Frankie's, medyo malayo siya. Ito parang garlic, oil, and parmesan cheese siya literally. Pero masarap. I mean, it was alright. Hindi siya yung top of the list sa mga orderin ko. Pero masarap pa rin siya. I mean, if it's in front of me, I would still take it. Dylan felt the same way kasi mahilig siya sa Frankie's. So this is kind of like not in the same level. And for our next round, guys, humingi ako ng extra garlic sa honey garlic ko. And si Dylan naman nag-cheesy jalapeno siya ulit. Yum! So, ito na si honey garlic ulit. I know I've said it a lot of times, pero kasi sobrang gusto ko talaga to. Sobrang nire-recommend ko na itry nyo to. As in, gusto ko talagang masubukan nyo to lahat, guys. Kasi ako, I really enjoy yung honey garlic ng Hungry Humans Taguig. And yeah, hindi talaga kayo magsisisi, I promise. So at this rate, Dylan and I were slowing down a bit kasi parang medyo madami na kami nakain. And inubos na lang namin siya for the sake na hindi kami masigil sa leftovers. Kaya medyo natatawa na lang kami sa aming dalawa kasi alam mo yung busog ka na pero syempre pipilitin mo kasi there's an extra fee to pay. But you know what, at the end of the day, it makes us feel better na walang food na nasayang sa amin. And masarap eh. Sobrang sarap talaga, guys. So alam nyo na, itry nyo na si Hungry Humans Taguig. Alright, so nagapang namin siya. Grabe. Medyo nag-struggle kami doon. Pero ayun, hindi ko na lang naubos yung rice ko. Alright, so we are done eating. Sarap na. Do you like it, Dylan?
I like it naman.
Pretty good. Grabe guys, we're both stuffed. Natatawa na lang kami kanina kasi busog na kami. Eh, may isa pa kaming order. So we had to like gut it out para maubos. And now we are gonna get some dessert. And Dylan wants Starbucks, I want Starbucks, so we are gonna be heading to Starbucks. Let's go!
Oh, what's up, pal?
Thanks, Cole, for buying. What did you get?
I got a ice blended matcha latte. It's supposed to be 2 pumps of chai, but they didn't have, so I substituted it with hazelnut milk.
Is that from TikTok?
I mean, I found it online. Not really from TikTok.
Alright, so we are finally home na. I got myself white mocha with sweet cream and extra caramel drizzle. And sarap. Medyo matamis siya pero it's really good. Si Sena yung nag-recommend sa akin ng drink na to. So thanks again, Sena, for recommending another drink. We really enjoyed yung Hungry Humans. I asked Dylan if he liked it. Sabi niya masarap daw. Same kami ng thoughts. Nagustuhan namin si cheesy jalapeno and si honey garlic. Top 1 being the honey garlic pa rin talaga. Grabe. Ibang level kasi talaga siya. As in, pang top tier na flavor siya ng wings. So, if ever you guys find yourself sa Hungry Humans, make sure na you get the honey garlic kasi hindi kayo magsisisi, I promise. And yun. Grabe guys, ang dami na naman namin nakain ni Dylan at got to a point na tumatawa na lang kami kasi sobrang dami talaga namin kinain, parang paano natin naubusin to, ganun. Pero we did naman, and wala namang nasayang na food. And yeah, and that wraps up my video for today. I'm really happy na na-share ko sa inyo yung yung parang lunch out namin ni Dylan. Wala lang kasi we don't get to do it often. So every time I do, I'm glad na ma-share ko siya sa inyo. And yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on where I should go next sa mga upcoming vlogs ko, please leave them down on the comment section below or send me a direct message sa Instagram page ko at KVQ. And once again, thank you talaga guys for being with me today and for being with me sa mga past vlogs ko. Sana huwag kayong magsawa. Sana makasama ko pa kayo sa mga upcoming vlogs ko. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate each and every one of you. So, till next time guys. Para #, kakain na naman tayo.